Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by enabling the TV's screen mirroring feature. This tells the TV to accept incoming Miracast sessions. Make sure both the Sony TV and your phone or PC are on the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works smoothly. On the sending device, open Cast or Project settings and choose Wireless Display. If prompted, allow device search. Once done, the TV should appear in the list as Sony or the model name. Select it to initiate the connection. After you select the Sony TV on your phone or PC, the TV may show a PIN or confirmation prompt. Accept it to pair the devices securely. If pairing fails, toggle Wi-Fi off and on or restart the TV's screen mirroring app to refresh discovery. Make sure battery saver or data restrictions are disabled on the sending device, because those settings can prevent persistent streaming. Once paired, give the TV a few seconds to negotiate resolution and audio routes before playback begins. To complete, play a short test clip to confirm audio and video route through the TV and adjust volume on both devices. If you encounter lag or frequent drops, reboot the Sony TV and the sending device, then reinitiate Miracast. This clears temporary network or app issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, switch both devices to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band if available. This reduces interference and latency and often resolves performance problems without changing any other settings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.